Here we are again, probably the 7th in a series of 20, how to upgrade, fix, / yearly maintenance on your emergency Generac generator. Okay, here's the theory. You can do this probably easier with a jar. You don't want to suck on a hose with gasoline in it. So what we're going to do, this thing is dirty, it's filthy, it's shellacked. Again, you only use this once a year, so every time you go to use it, it needs serviced. And I've had an intake valve stuck open on this. It's pretty easy to get the head off. My neighbor Frank's going to come over, but I want to get it started and get the tank cleaned out as good as I can. We're going to prop this up, try to get down so we can get, okay, that should be long enough. Okay, we have a hose. We have a shop vac to provide vacuum so we don't have to suck on the thing ourselves. We've got the end propped up so all the gas is running down to the end of the tank. Alright, I have my trusty assistant. We only spilled a little bit of gas accidentally. We're pulling this apart, going to drop the carburetor, check the bowl, clean it out, replace everything, blast the jets out, clean the tank out, put some gas in, see if we can get her going. The end. Cut.